Hello, calculus. There's been a little bit of confusion about our grading or my grading policies here, or what I'm actually assigning to you guys. So I just thought I'd go ahead and review it. I know I mentioned it in the very beginning, but you may have forgotten. So like this is limits unit here is what I assigned you for the end of the fifth 6 weeks. Um, all I am looking at is that you're making progress through the unit, and that could be I just took the unit test and I made a grade and I'm happy with it. So do you have to do the quizzes? Absolutely not. I'm just adding the quizzes there so you, if you want to, prior to taking the unit test, you can go and see which areas are your weaknesses that maybe you need to go back and review a little. So all I'm looking at is this test down here. So the grade would be a 91 for this one. Does it matter that it's late to me? No. I'll put an M in the grade book until you've got it done. It's okay. Go at your own pace. You may need a little bit more help with limits, but when you get to derivatives, you'll speed up. Or you might need more help with derivatives, but when you get to some of the later content that we did, you'll speed up. It's okay. That being said, I'm going to assign things so that those that are keeping pace will be ready to take the test in a month. All right, last week you guys were assigned it looks like the student was actually assigned a little bit earlier than last week, and that's okay. They were just working ahead. But last week we did differentiation, definition of basic derivatives, and composite, implicit, and inverse functions. So you had 2 unit tests, and I took the average of those 2 tests for your quiz grade. And then this week, I don't want to go too far. You've got, it looks like I've assigned it to her twice. This week you've got contextual applications of differentiations unit test and applying derivatives to analyze functions unit test. I will average these 2 unit tests, and that'll be your quiz grade for this week. I think next week we have 2 more unit tests, and then after that it's just 1 unit test, and then we'll be able to start doing some free response questions. So again, go at your own pace. You may need to go slow to get through some of the material, and it'll speed up in others. If you don't make it through all the material, that's okay. What I want to see is that you're making steady progress to get ready for this AP exam. I hope that cleared it up. Some of you got, a 91 on a test and then ended up with like a 40 something for your quiz grade and didn't understand. It's because both of those unit tests were for last week. And then you got 2 more unit tests for this week. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll talk to you later.